Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Minutes of the last Federal Reserve meeting was out last evening. और उसका indication was that Fed is saying that they will keep rates higher for longer. मतलब no chances of cut in 2023. मगर अगर we focus on the bond market, and that is something we have been pointing out since end of last year, bond market is clearly saying कि 2023 मतलब ये साल inflation is going to collapse and there could be a risk of deflation before the year end. Plus, the economy is slowing down quite a bit. The job market will be the last one to fall. So, iske karan, Fed will have no choice but to lower rates quite a bit before December of 2023. So, that is the bet which the bond market is making. And historically, we have seen that जब भी Fed और bond market का fight हुआ है, bond market has won. Their last one was in 2021 when the Fed was saying that we will not hike rates before 2024, and we know what happened. So therefore, we will focus on what the financial market is saying, and the financial market is categorically saying rates are going down. So if Fed cut karega, it's not that the Fed will be the only one to cut rates before the year end. It can become a global phenomena, including India. But that's a story for the second half of 2023. But jab tak Fed doesn't acknowledge it, that the economy is slowing down and inflation is coming down dramatically, that requires monetary policy adjustment, tab tak volatility in the global financial markets will be high and the risk sentiments would be fragile. Overnight, the global risk sentiment is good because US stock markets closed in the green. आज Asian equity में हल्का सा एक rally है. Dollar index is largely flat, but a lot of the Asian and emerging market currencies are strengthening against the USD, जिसके कारण हो सकता है USDINR में open gap down around 82.66, 82.70 के आसपास. ये 82.50 और 83 का range is still intact. That's for the past 3 weeks. Now, such a small range, 3 weeks down, it is looking very matured, which means this range ka break either on the downside or on the up looks likely. Now, Indian rupee has been a major underperformer, significant underperformer since November. So, dollar rupee ka agar upward breakout dena hai, then it would require, in our opinion, the support from global currencies. Matlab, just on its own for it to break out above and trade higher, that probability is low. Such breakouts may turn out to be false. Now, breakdown ho sakta hai because Indian rupee has a lot to catch up to, right? So, agar ye breakdown hota hai and a valid breakdown hota hai 82 half ke niche, then the next stop could be around 82 ke aspas on the spot. So, how to trade? That's what we have been saying for the last 1 week, that there are two kinds of trades which you can do जब एक छोटा सा range में dollar rupee रहता है. One is using futures. You wait for the range extreme. जैसे आज अगर 82.60 के आसपास आता है and it starts to show some pause intraday, then you can go long with a stop below 82.50. In case 82.50 breaks convincingly, then you can square up your longs and even go short, right? It's called stop and reverse. दूसरा है कि every time it get closer to 83 on the spot or 82.95, you can go short with a stop above 83.05 on a spot reference basis. So ये एक तरीके का trade होता है where you trade basically wait for the range extremes and then take a opposite trade or a contra trade. दूसरा trade है कि you can sell options like a straddle or a strangle. Or even an iron fly. Now, iron fly का यहाँ पे disadvantage or advantage ये है कि iron fly of course will have a lower premium take than a straddle or a strangle. But the advantage can be अगर ये false breakdown या breakout होता है, in such situations आपका straddle और strangle का stop will get hit, but iron fly will stand tall क्योंकि ये expiry तक का trade है and it is hedge trade. So you don't have to worry about a stop in that. So that's the advantage of an iron fly, apart from the fact that margin requirement on an iron fly is significantly lower than a straddle. So this is how you can trade in this kind of a market. But again, agar 82.50 के नीचे breakdown होके sustain होता है, then we can use futures to even go short for a move towards 82 levels. क्रॉस करेंसीज में यूरो INR, GBP INR, JPY INR तीनों में खास मूवमेंट आज शायद देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. अगर डॉलर रुपी रेंज में रहता है तो यूरो INR कैन बी अगेन अ बाय ऑन डिप्स. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.